All right, and we're back. Real quick video here. This has an LED light kit on it. Previous owner put CCM-5 with the Wizard kit. So there's freaking LED multicolor lights all over this bike. One thing they didn't add though was a on-off switch, which you're supposed to put, according to Custom Dynamics, because that's whose kit it is, you're supposed to put an on-off kit. Basically, you do that. That's done so the box isn't constantly looking for a remote. And this is the problem. They never put a switch. So, fortunately, this is a Harley push button on-off switch. So, hopefully, this will work. I'm just going to put it in line with the fusible link that they put on is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add it to that and we'll see what we got. Hopefully it'll do the trick. Just going to crimp this together. This is not like a permanent fix. Actually, I would like to come in and solder it. But for right now, I'm just going to use crimp connectors. So they should do the trick with a little bit of like so, like that, and I'll just heat it up and shrink that, and then I'm just going to put it on. Let's see, this is the battery side, so I'll take the fuse out, I'll cut it here, and I'll just put it on the side that's heading towards the box, the hot side. So let me shrink this real quick. I got a brand new lighter here. Get the damn thing out of the package. This is, like I said, this is really a 5-minute fix. If I had everything ready to go, which again I don't. I wasn't really thinking about doing this till literally just now. I knew it didn't have the switch, but I literally just thought about doing it since I'm out here working on the bike today. I figured let me do it now and just get everything done. So we're gonna heat shrink this. That way it keeps the moisture out. There we go. Flip it over. Let's get the other side. There we go. So that's good there. And then I'll put them butt connectors in line here, and I'll just leave the switch under the seat. Because especially for the winter time, they actually tell you on their website, Custom Dynamics, to turn it off for the winter. Switch that switch off. So, all right, so there's our switch. Take this, I'm going to pop this fuse out. Yep, and again, easier said than done. Okay. I think we need some needle nose pliers for that job. That sucker's in there. Get this out. There we go. And it's good. Okay, so that's out. Put that up here while we're doing the rest of this. Let me get some more heat shrink for the other side. Right here, I've got a brand new kit my son bought for a quick job on his car. I said, you don't need that much, I got it. He said, just keep it, Dad. So I was like, thank you. Thought that was nice of him, generous. It's probably a $18 heat shrink kit. All right, put the tubes there. So again, we're gonna take the side that goes right here, take it right about there. One, and we'll get the other side. Okay, that's that. Now, this here, this one, I'll put some heat shrink tube on there real quick. Like so. And drop the other piece down in the bike. Thankfully, I found it. This can go here. All right, now take our switch. One end in there. Hopefully I'm not in your way doing what I'm doing here. the end. I always get to the end and make sure I got it crimped all the way. Now let's get the other side, get that in place. Same thing, that's all the way up in. Hold that while we're crimping. Okay, very good. And then slide our heat shrink wrap back over there. Right up to the end, butt it right up against it, and that way it'll seal nice. Keep the moisture out. That's the key. Not that they'll get any in there, but you never know. Stranger things have happened. All right, I'll flip this over. Very good. Nice and shrunk down. Get this one a little more. And that's the extent of that. So there we go. Just a quick switch install. We'll put the fuse back. This goes back in here. Easier said than done here. There we go. Okay. So now I just got to test the on-off position. So, but that can sit there like that. And when I need it, I can just take the seat off real quick, take 2 seconds, take the seat off, pop the switch. So, all right, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you have this kit, you need an on-off switch. They tell you right on their website, Custom Dynamics. So make sure you add the switch. Doesn't have to be an on-off. This is a waterproof on-off. This came with a set of auxiliary lights that I had on my switchback. So it's a perfect switch to keep handy. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe and make a comment. Thanks. All right, this is just a quick update. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the LED light switch. As you've seen in the video, I put it up under the seat. So figured I would just add this little clip to the back end of that. What I ended up doing was buying a set of aftermarket side covers. And you can see, I mean, the color match is spot on. It fits perfect. It looks good. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's plastic. It's not made from metal. So what I ended up doing was buying a set of those just for the left side, and then I drilled it, and I put that waterproof switch right here. So now I have a push button switch that, unless you're looking for it, you can't see it. I mean, it's right down there. Hidden very well. Got the rain cover on it. Like I said, it's for auxiliary light switch for Harleys. It came with a set of lights that I had purchased, and it's a perfect switch for turning the LEDs off and on. Alrighty, I'll see you guys in the next video.